me, Patrick LeVar, back again. I just wanted to do a quick little piece here just to see what I can do. If some of you guys have been following some of my live streams, you know that I'm kind of in the process of switching from Adobe Premiere to Davinci Resolve 16. And one reason that I'm kind of doing, well, I'm having a lot of crash issues with After Effects, but right now that since this last couple of weeks, I've been just training myself and doing some online tutorials about Davinci Resolve. The workflow is like 2 times faster for me. One thing that I like doing that I don't get to do too much is I like compositing 3D elements into my video. And believe it or not, this last little clip that you guys just saw was all done with free software. I use Blender 3D for all my 3D assets and the 3D, and I even use a 3D camera tracker inside of Blender. And then I use Davinci Resolve 16, which is also free, which includes a video editing suite, a new quick like you know, Adobe Rush, basically like a quick version of editing. It has its own quick cut page. And then also inside of Davinci Resolve there is Fusion, which is also a 2D 3D compositor. So I was able to basically make my 3D elements in Blender, do my camera tracker in Blender, and then take everything that Davinci Resolve and complete everything inside there, from editing the whole video, all the clips and transitions, that was all done inside of Davinci Resolve. And then I color graded everything also inside of Davinci Resolve. And then again, when it comes to sound, the sound, the Fairlight, I think it's called Fairlight, is absolutely fantastic. So like, I'm really excited about this, and this was kind of like a real test just to see, you know, is this going to be better for me to do this versus doing my Adobe After Effects and then doing my Premiere and then back to After Effects and then to Adobe Audition, and jumping out of all 3 of these programs. And again, some people are, why don't you just use the the Adobe Direct to Links? And again, on my laptop, which I'm running like 8 gigs of RAM, I have issues sometimes. Like, it will crash, sometimes it won't load, sometimes it freezes every time I try to bring in some new footage. And I didn't have any of those issues working inside of Davinci Resolve 16. This whole thing was done. It never crashed one time, you know, and I'm extremely excited about the results. So this wasn't really more of a lesson, but it was more of just like something that I'm getting into as far as workflow, and just to let you know what you could do with free software. Again, Blender, free, and then Davinci Resolve 16, free. Nothing was paid. This was all done, and then I shot the footage with my Canon EOS M, my 14-year-old camera. Again, my cell phone is broken. Otherwise, I would have shot this with my cell phone in 4K with the anamorphic lens on it, just to take it up another level. But hey, you know, my phone is broken, so I'm just using my camera right now. But I'm super excited about this. So if you guys are more into this, you want to see this whole 3D / workflow, let me know. I could possibly try to, first I will direct you to where the 3D assets, the little 3D thing I made was from a guy named Ducky 3D. I'll put his link down there, you can see that. And then the color grade was from the new Netflix, the Watcher or something like that. And it was another, I can't remember his name, Waskow, whatever. I forgot his name, but I'm horrible with names. You guys all know that. I also throw his link up there, and that was I watched his Davinci Resolve lesson about color grading, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it on this, and I threw it on there, and I think it came out pretty cool. So enough of my jibber jabber. Patrick LeVar, there's no excuse, there's no reason. Get Davinci 16, download Blender, and start making some cool stuff like this. Patrick LeVar, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Keep filming. Peace.